The point of every conversation, every lead gen source, whether it's open house or sphere of influence or internet leads or Facebook leads, I don't care what it is. The point of every convo is to set an appointment. And there are only 4 appointment types you should ever care about. Here they are. The first and best appointment type is a listing consultation, especially in this market. This is where you're sitting down with a homeowner who's potentially interested in selling their home. The second is a buyer interview. Very similar to a listing consultation, except you're sitting down with somebody who wants to buy a home. The third is a buyer showing. You've already done a buyer interview, you've gotten them approved, you've done all the things, and now you're actually out showing them a home. And the fourth is any sort of face-to-face meeting that potentially leads to one of the previous 3. This could be a coffee or a lunch or a golf or a nail appointment or whatever, I don't care. This is where you're sitting down with somebody just in a normal, natural thing, and real estate at some point is brought up. Every single thing you do in this industry should point towards one of those 4 things. Next, we'll break each appointment type down even further. So see you then.